6 na buwang walang pagsupot habang kumukubra ng milyones sa kaban ng bayan.
Early in the morning, an NBI representative came to see me and told me they have a warrant of arrest for Senator De La Rosa. I said, simply, I said, coordinate with OSA. As simple as that. Why? I didn't realize that he was coming. I didn't know that he was going to be there in the afternoon. I just thought it was a simple information given the Senate President that a member of the Senate was being issued a warrant of arrest. It was simple as that. Yeah. Kaya eka nga hindi pa pwede, little did I know that Senator De La Rosa, after 7 months of not being here, will suddenly come. Kaya ganun kasimple lang sinabi ko. Coordinate with the OSA.
Tumakas sa mga otoridad, may gana pa nga magsinungaling sa media na akala niya'y hindi makikita ang totoong nangyari.
Ngayon, papakita ko dito. Oh, hinara ko naman yung biyay. Nirestling ako doon. Kasugat-sugat ako.
Why are you here, sir?
Papasok! This is the Senate! Wala silang respeto sa institusyon ng Senado. Bakit gano'n ang NBI?
But why are you here, sir? Bakit po kayo napapasok today, sir?
Ayaw masenador ng Republic. Kung hindi ko mapasok, kinahanap niyo ako. Di ba? Ngayon mapasok ako, tatanungin niyo ako bakit ako pumapasok.
But sir, may kinalaman sa pag-puser para makabuo ng numbers po.
Lahat yan trabaho ng senador. It's okay. This is the worst government.
Ayan ang senador kong allegedly berdugo.
Ikaw ba, pulis ka? Gusto mo may bata matamaan? Never. Kasi ikaw may anak ka rin. Hindi mo gusto may mangyari na ganun. Pero shit happens. Oh, during operations, shit happens.
Matapos ang 3 araw na kaguluhan last week sa kudeta ni Cayetano laban kay Soto after bringing in Bato, medyo luminaw na ang mga dapat linawin sa mga pangyayari sa Senado